I'm walking, they like Poppy, why you starting? Pop a perk, go retarded. They know I'm respect. 700 grams, ice and baguettes. Pop smoke, niggas know I'm vex. Fleck keep on shooting until it's the left. I'm 23, I throw up the set. 20 years old, but I move like the flat. Flex your mouth, you better invest in the best. Nigga, cause you could get left. The bitch in the foreign, huh? I fuck that pastor, show a difference between a dog and a master. Lamborghini truck flooring, got your bitch in the back, boring. She like, Poppy, I adore you. I'm like, baby, I ain't normal.
She's calling my phone like I'm locked up non-stop. From the plane to the fucking helicopter, yeah. Cops pulling up like I'm giving drugs, nah. I'm a pop star, not a doctor. Bitches calling my phone like I'm locked up non-stop. From the plane to the fucking helicopter, yeah. Cops pulling up like I'm giving drugs, nah. I'm a pop star, not a doctor. Hey, shorty with the long text, I don't talk. Shorty with the long legs, she don't walk. Yeah, last year I kept it on the tuck. Ayy, 2020 I came to fuck it up. Yeah, I want a long life, a legendary one. I want a quick death and an easy one. I want a pretty girl and an honest one. I want this drink and another one. Yeah, and I'm troublesome. Yeah, I'm a pop star, but this shit ain't bubble gum. Yeah, you would probably think my manager is Scooter Braun. Yeah, but my manager was 20 hoes and Budokan. Yeah, hey, look, Ariana, Selena, my visa. It can take as many charges as it needs to, my girl. That shit platinum just like all of my releases, my girl. Niggas come for me, I tear them all to pieces, my girl. I'ma show your sexy ass what relief is, my girl. Please don't take no shit that's about to have you geeking. And I'm not driving nothing that I gotta stick with keys in. Wonder how I got this way, I swear I got the bitches calling my phone like I'm locked up non-stop. From the plane to the fucking helicopter, yeah. Cops pulling up like I'm giving drugs, nah. I'm a pop star, not a doctor. Bitches calling my phone like I'm locked up non-stop. From the plane to the fucking helicopter, yeah. Cops pulling up like I'm giving drugs, nah. I'm a pop star, not a doctor. I'm a pop star, not a doctor. Watch her, said she rep a whole different block, so I blocked her. Busy at the crib, cooking salmon with the lobster. If we talking joints, it's just me and David Foster. Bodyguards don't look like Kevin Costner, you tweaking. Just pulled up to Whitney, Houston, Texas for the evening. They tell the same story so much they start to believe it. The ones that start like Drizzy shit was cool, but we even. Man, how the fuck? 2, 4, 6, 8 watches factory so they appreciate. Crown in my hand and I'm really playing keep awake. Shit don't even usually get this big without a beaver face. Nah, piece of cake. Nah, Turks and cake. Yeah. Go and get your friends, we can sneak away. Yeah, I keep a like I keep the faith. Wonder how I got this way.
Hey, what's up everyone, it's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, I am doing a review for Amanda Hair. Now it's been just a little bit since I've worked with Amanda Hair. I actually worked with them a little bit last year and I actually really enjoy their units. So today I am reviewing a 360 unit from them. This is a 22-inch curly unit and I really wanted to take advantage of the fact that this is a 360 unit and you can put it up in a ponytail. So that's exactly what I did. So I did this really high, like messy bun, and then I left out these two little curly pieces here in the front that I really like. I feel like they added the right amount of character to it, so it's not just like a plain updo or whatever. And then of course, you know, I had to make sure those edges are laid. So I added just a little bit of baby hairs. If you don't want to add baby hairs, as you guys can see, you don't have to. The lace on this unit melts perfectly. I had a 360 unit recently, and even though I really liked how I installed that unit, I don't like the fact that I didn't really get to take advantage of the full experience of a 360 unit. So today was my opportunity to do so. For one, let me start off with the fact that the fit of this unit is perfect. So if you're someone out there that's like myself and you struggle with 360 units because they're usually too big for you, this unit is going to be perfect for you. I don't have a bunch of extra fabric in the back, but as far as the back, I literally just like crisscrossed the straps and then I just like hooked in the comb that's in the back. I did cut off 2 combs that were in the unit. They were on the sides, but if you want to, you can keep these in and you can hook it in on the sides too, just for a flatter install on the side. But for me, they tend to like make my wig buckle or like make it stick out, so that's usually why I cut my combs out. The lace on this unit is actually really fire, so I really do like the lace on it. As far as the inches, this is a 22-inch unit, you guys, and I actually really like the length of it. I was concerned with the 22-inch because I was like, is it gonna be long enough to like put in a proper ponytail? Because sometimes when it comes to 360 units and you trying to like put your hair up in a ponytail, some hair is just like just too short or like too long for the ponytail. So I like the fact that I got this 22-inch and I feel like it's perfect for this look. It's the right amount of density in the actual like bun. And you guys saw this was actually pretty easy for me. It was literally like a one and done, and I honestly feel like that has a lot to do with the fit of the unit. Like I said, because the unit is small and snug, it just fits better and it's a lot quicker and easier to actually put your hair up in a ponytail. And I did use 2 products on my hair today, you guys. I used some water. Sometimes people ask me like what's in my water bottles. I don't put anything in my water bottle. I just put water. So you guys, this is just water. There's nothing in here, but I did use the Lotta Body foaming mousse just like on the perimeter of my hair, and I really like using Lotta Body. Lotta Body is one of my favorite foaming mousse out of all of them because it has an amazing smell and it really gets the job done. For me, it acts like a gel, you know, because when I use this and I try to like swoop my hair or whatever, it like lays in place perfectly. Once I blow dry it, it's a one and done. And then of course, to install my unit today, I did use the Got To Be Glued hair gel. This is something that I always use. I don't use lace front glue, but if you're somebody who prefers to use lace front glue, you can obviously use that instead of this. But if you're looking for like a glueless install, this is one of my personal top rated products to use for that. So one thing that I have to mention, and I have to make sure you guys know this, I did not pluck this unit, okay? This unit came pre-plucked to perfection. The only thing that I did was bleach the knots on this unit and then I applied it. Of course, you guys saw that I tinted my lace using the Ebin Lace Tint Spray. All of the products that I use, by the way, will be linked down below. So if I don't mention something in the video, don't worry. I will have a list of all the products listed down below for you guys, and you can order everything online. So if you're somebody who doesn't really know how to like pluck a unit, this is going to be the perfect unit for you because it literally comes done for you. The curl pattern to this hair is absolutely gorgeous. I did show you guys like what the hair looked like when I just had it down and air dry. The hair is beautiful from the root all the way down to the very ends of the hair. And I honestly highly recommend this unit for the summer. This is going to be great for like vacation. So if you want to, you can have your hair down like in the pool looking cute, or you can have it up like this, you know, with the cute little pieces. You guys can do so much when it comes to a 360 unit. And not all 360 units are made alike, okay? Some are better than others. And for me personally, this is one of my personal favorite 360 units because it's the only one that I feel like I've been able to actually wear without it being a bunch of extra space in the back. The fit is great, the lace is amazing, and they give you so much space on the perimeter. Like even in the back portion, like where there's like lace at, like they give you so much space. If you were to actually get this unit glued down in the back, you would be able to do so much because you have a lot of extra space in the back for lace parting, and that goes all all the way around the perimeter. I would say this goes back to at least like 6 inches or so. So you can do a really deep part if you want to. But I'm going to turn around so you guys can see the back of the updo, okay? You already see how the front is. So, you know, if I could see the back would look like the front. Don't try me. See it. Ooh. Y'all see what's going on. But yeah, you guys, this unit is from Amanda Hair. If you guys are interested in this unit and you want to try it out for yourself, make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit, along with all the details to this hair. If there is something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. And of course, I have to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there for showing me so much love and support. I really appreciate all of you guys, and I appreciate all of my new subscribers because I do have a lot of new people who have come. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.